Take your turkey to the sink and clean it or wash it through cold water inside out. This is a fresh turkey, so it's not as important, but if you are using a frozen turkey that may fall slowly for a few days in the fridge, inside you will have some juices, and those could be a source of bacteria. So wash the turkey and inside out. Let it drain really well. Then pat dry the turkey with a clean rag. There we go. Then take the turkey to the cutting board and cut off the tip of the wings. Then season inside the bird, so with salt and pepper. Good. Great. The wings and neck will be added to the roasting pan. You may clean the liver, dice it up and put it in the stuffing if you like it. Personally, I don't, so I won't use them. Stuff the bird then. So really push in. Pass the breast skin over the stuffing.